I'm obsessed with the Laneige Waterbank Gentle Gel Cleanser. This low pH daily cleanser has been a total skin savior, gently removing impurities, makeup, and sunscreen without stripping my skin of its natural oils and moisture. The formula is packed with incredible ingredients, including Allantoin, Dart soothes dryness and calms irritated skin, amino acid complex, boosts the skin barrier, leaving it stronger and more resilient. Blue hyaluronic acid provides deep, long-lasting hydration that leaves my skin feeling soft, supple, and refreshed. This cleanser is truly a miracle worker. It effectively cleanses my skin, removing all impurities and makeup without leaving any residue behind. At the same time, it deeply hydrates my skin, leaving it feeling nourished and protected. The best part? This cleanser actually helps to heal and repair my skin's barrier over time, leaving it stronger and more resilient. If you're looking for a gentle, effective, and hydrating cleanser that will transform your skin, look no further than the Laneige Waterbank Gentle Gel Cleanser. Trust me, your skin will thank you.